Next up, an intense volleyball face-off. Literally a face-off. Okay, it's time for a full-blown grudge match. And this week, it's man versus the elements. Earth, wind, and fire. Sure, they were a great band, but how would they have got on against actual earth, wind, and fire? Let's find out. It's humans versus the elements. Round one is this man auditioning for X-Men. That's our first element, fire, kicked into shape. Point to the people. Round two. Ever been grounded? He has. Brought down to earth by actual earth. Elements take this one. Round three. Firefighters say don't play with fire. But water, go on then. That's wicked. Not sure this is what they trained for, but looks fun. 2-1 to the people. Round four.
Did you see that?
Yes, bro, I did. The sea said, you want fish? Get it with your hands like a real man. Point to the elements. It's 2-all. Round five, and it's the decider. Dad's home. Oh, wow. Bro's putting normal dads to shame. But whatever, that's wind defeated, and humans take the win. In your face, Mother Nature. Ah, kids, aren't they adorable? Unless they're yours, of course. Only joking, kids. Daddy loves you, really. When you're not drawing on the walls or flushing my phone down the loo. I see you. Even the mayhem's worth it, though, because now I can have my revenge and show kids at their worst. Run the clips.
Go ahead.
Hips don't lie. Hers are saying, hula hoop's not for you, babes.
You can try it again.
Hey, whoa. They say romance is dead. Whoa! All right, go, slow down. Yo.
Do your tooth dance. Okay, here we go.
This kid's getting his loose tooth removed with string and some moves.
Okay, are you ready?
I can't watch. Never seen a kid so happy to have his face ripped off.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Nah, unless your mum's the actual tooth fairy, don't try this at home. Here's a peaceful, unsuspecting grown-up until that's another tooth removed. Listen up, kids. No pain, no gain.
Don't throw that thing.
He won't throw it. He can hardly lift it. His little brother, though, something devious about him. What are you doing, bruv? Oh, there you go, Dad. You said no pain, no gain, right? Fell off the bike. Landed on good vibes. Dancing turns every L into a W. Oh, you're right, little man. This is how my daughter cries.
Take a picture.
Literally exactly how my daughter cries. And finally. Oi, that's not your drink. That's not even your dad.
It's all right.
Kids like what? Sharing's caring, innit? Right, here's a question. What's the most dangerous thing in the world? A hurricane? A lion? A toddler having a tantrum? Nah, it's flip-flops, footballs, and furniture. I'm talking everyday objects that seem harmless until they whack you where it hurts. For example, bruv, wrong hoop. Okay, this ain't gonna end well. Oh. Ooh, I didn't see that coming. Problem was, nor did he. Here's another dumb idea.
I'm not gonna try to hit you though. I'm gonna go to your...
At least he's already in the woods. Just bury him there.
I'm gonna go to your...
Next up, an intense volleyball face-off. Literally a face-off. Here's a dad teaching his mini-man mini-golf. To be fair, his head's basically a golf ball.
You ready for this, Dad?
Oi, can we stop whacking all the dads? Oh. I guess Mum's doing bedtime tonight. A trust fall at Christmas. Ow! You just got yourself a real-life nutcracker.
Didn't you tell them they were going to hit forehead?
I'm just trying to work the back a little bit here.
This guy's trying to work his back.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
But forgot about his front. Ouch.
Oh, dude. If hundreds of people would have been watching this. Oh!
Hundreds? There's more than that just in the studio, bro.
Oh! 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 Oh!
And finally, where you going, bro?
Oh my God, dude. Oh my God.
Oh, whoa!
Oh my God. Dude, you all right? Dude, that was one of the gnarliest things I've ever filmed in my life.
To be fair, it wasn't a stop sign.